Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I am going to review an amazing product, the best, my favorite. This is my favorite lip color, my favorite brand of lip color. Quite literally the longest lasting, best long lasting lip colors I've ever used in my whole life. Ooh. Rimmel London Provocalips 16-hour kiss-proof lip stuffs. Just a lip color. It's just a color. I love them so much. I have 7 out of, I think, a possible 10 colors. There's also like coral, very like bright neon pink, and light purpley shade maybe. Generally, you can find these at any drugstore that sells Rimmel London will have this. They're just about $8.99, $9.99. Maybe Walmart has it cheaper. I play a lot with color, but I have collected these over the years. I just got this. I don't think this is going to be a good color for me necessarily. It'll be a happy surprise if it is. This one is the lightest one. It's like a nude. I just got it on sale for $4.99. Pretty good deal, half off. This one is called Skinny Dippin'. Whoa. Scandal. So why don't we start with this one? Let's see what it looks like. I have never tried this one, so this will be an actual surprise. New packaging, I can never. Well, I don't hate that. I love it. That is a great nude. The next one we're going to use is called Make Your Move. This actually I had to replace because this is the first one I ever got. This one's just a little bit darker than, but not super, just like a nice natural. What I like about this one is that this is next to nude, but for me, I mean, it's not really nude. It's like nude red. How do you have a nude red? Red is very bold. Nice peachy, I guess peach would be like a nude red. This lighting doesn't, well, I mean, that is kind of what it looks like, yes. So, pretty close to the color on the bottle. So, that one's called Make Your Move. Make your move. Make your move. Literally, I'm trying to take this stuff off in between takes. This stuff sticks, yo. So even if you like scrub it off, you're still left with a really nice like base lip stain. I don't hate that. Makes me feel like I'm like natural. Oh, this is just my natural lip color. I wish. This is Wish Upon a Berry. So this is their light pink. There's a like a neon pink. I don't know what that one is called, but this one is called Wish Upon a Berry. Again, very true to the package. It's definitely the color they're telling you it is. I like this as an everyday. It's not an extreme pink. It's just a lovely blush on the lips. Give me a blush on the lips, would ya? So I like that for an everyday look, especially if it's something feminine and pretty. I don't want to go anything too intense. Those were the first 3, the lightest colors that we just did. Now we're going to move on to the sassy colors. These ones are really more of my everyday ones. These ones are bold, baby. And when I'm wearing a bold lip, I don't want it to come off in the middle of the day onto my teeth, all over the glass I'm drinking, blah, blah, blah. I don't want that. I don't need that. I'm a business lady. I ain't got time for that. Okay? That's why I love these so much. I love the light ones too. But I mostly love these. Fold these. Alright, this color, I love this color. I wear this one quite frequently. It's like a low-key everyday red lip. It's not your typical red. It's red like my hair. To be honest, I feel like this color was made for me. Like this color should be called Sassy Flow. Curvy Girl Flow. Flow Red. Oh, no. 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 Anyway, forget that. This one is Heartbreaker. I'd say they're right. Yeah, this one is definitely my go-to. Goes with pretty much any look I do because it goes with my hair. Thank you. Next, we are on to Kiss Fatale. This one is the darker purple in this series. I like this when I'm doing kind of like an edgier look. I usually do this if I'm wearing blacks or grays, maybe a little more of like a rock on. Is that right? Kind of like a grungier look with this. Probably a darker smoky eye, a little more black kind of layered on there. Maybe like a faux hawk kind of look and like little rocker tee, little leather jacket. That's the kind of look that I would do with this lip color. This one is again the Kiss Fatale. I really like it. Just something different. I don't use it a lot. I won't say I use it a lot. I've had that one for a while, but it's just nice for a change of scenery. Something unexpected. Next, we're going to use the Berry Seductive color. This one is like a hot pink. Really super vibrant pink, very dark, almost, I always mistake it for the bright red color. That's like how bright, hot fuchsia pink this is. I really don't use this one very often at all. I used to use this one a lot for costume purposes. As you can see, it's very intense. It is very close to a red lip, but it is pink. It is like a fuchsia pink. As you can see, this might be a fun look for the summer. It's not like my winter vibe, really. This would be nice with like a nice summer dress, tie in some florals. That is with a layer of the Wish Upon a Berry on top, just in the middle, just to give it like a highlight in the middle. Look at that third dimension. Ooh. Finally, for the moment of truth, the ultimate reason why I love these lip colors. Bold ass frickin' drama red lip. If I am going to wear a frickin' red lip, you better believe it's going to stay on my lips all day long, or else I am not going to wear it. If I mean, this would have been a game changer. I used to, in my glory days, I used to be a performer. If I had this in my back freaking pocket, I would have been a star. Oh, baby. This is the Play with Fire. That is red, 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 red. Very red. It just makes me feel like a freaking diva. Such a nice red. Now, the best thing about this red, besides the fact that it looks pretty good, is the fact that you can literally do anything and it doesn't come off. Now we're going to test the theory. See how kiss-proof it really is. Like, what are those things that people do? Like, is it kissable? How do you, like, show that? Look. Literally, what is that? Nothing. That's like from the inside of my lips because they're still wet. Still looks good. I mean, if you don't believe that, test number 2. Coffee. Nothing worse than drinking a cup of coffee and leaving a filthy little residue on the rim. You know what I'm saying? And there you have it. Still looking good. The realest test of them all. Drinking wine challenge. So, does it stand up to a wine glass? Let's see. Nothing. We're still good. No longer do you have to worry about leaving your lipstick on the rim of a wine glass. Actually, don't you ever let anybody judge you. It doesn't matter. Be yourself, do your thing, live your dreams, live your life. Don't worry about the haters. Let the haters hate. But if you want to avoid that situation, then buy this lipstick. It is literally amazing. The reason I went on a hunt for the best most kissable, all day, long lasting, good wear, good color, lipstick, whatever. I did my makeup for my wedding and I wanted it to last all day. I don't need to be checking my makeup all day long. I don't need to be looking in the mirror. I have got time for that. We're at a wedding here, people. I searched high and low, read articles, did some research, and I finally stumbled upon, one more time, the Rimmel London Provocalips 16-Hour Kissproof Lip Color. They're unreal, amazing. My absolute favorite. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. I rate them a 10 out of 10. Perfect. Like your dreams. So if you want to invest in one or more of these colors, because I obviously highly recommend them, I would say unless you are specifically looking for a great red lip that is going to always work for you, that's like the best investment for this lip color. But if you're looking for something for more everyday, get more use out of it, I recommend going with one of these. I'll call these the Provocalips Starter Kit. These ones are the, you know, little more chill colors. So we've got the nude, the skinny dipping color, which is really nice. I really liked it. I had never seen that one before, but it's a really nice tone. You got the Wish Upon a Berry, which is the lovely, feminine, beautiful floral pink. I love it. It's really pretty. Make Your Move, light red, peach, whatever. And I also recommend Heartbreaker, which is a casual red. if there is such a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy a glass of wine. I know I'm going to, only if you're of age though, if you're allowed. But I'm going to, so thank you so much for watching. Like, follow, subscribe. Make my dreams come true. I just want to be famous. I'm too extra for this life.